PikaBoost is a portable and smart e-bike converter, which can quickly convert ordinary bicycles into e-bike, making cycling easier and more stable. PikaBoost is compact and simple, which can be easily carried in the backpack. Mounting is fast and simple. It can be completed in 30 seconds without dismantling the bike or using extra tools. PikaBoost has an all-in-one design, including friction wheel, battery compartment, and control circuit. Through a variety of built-in sensors, PikaBoost can detect the attitude of the bike in real time, distinguish the terrain, and dynamically adjust the motor output power to provide the most appropriate assistance to the rear wheel. Climbing uphill is always tiring and will lead to a significant increase in heart rate. With PikaBoost, cyclists can maintain a steady physical amount of energy as if they were riding on a flat road. The PikaBoost has 3 riding modes: cruise, roll, and exercise. In cruise mode, PikaBoost will automatically maintain your riding speed without the need of turning the throttle or gears. When the rider accelerates, PikaBoost can detect this acceleration change and correspondingly increase the electric power, keeping the bike at the new speed. In roll mode, PikaBoost will only assist you in climbing uphill rather than pedaling on flat terrain, which gives you a good balance between battery endurance and manpower saving. In exercise mode, PikaBoost doesn't provide any assistance, but adds extra resistance for exercise and self-charging. It will convert kinetic energy into electric power to help increase the battery's endurance. With the integrated USB port, you can charge other electronic device. Regenerative braking is supported when the bike is braking and decelerating. In case of accidental fall, PikaBoost can detect this change in real time and stop the motor immediately to ensure safety. The battery compartment contains 18 lithium batteries which can be replaced by users themselves. With IP66 waterproof feature, PikaBoost can handle sudden rainy weather outdoors.
E-bike is getting popular in recent years, but many people still prefer the fun of traditional bicycles. On certain occasions, such as long rides or hilly roads, it's also a good idea to add an electronic booster to your bike to save energy or increase distance. Users can easily switch back to the original bike style at any time to keep the fun of normal riding.
High-intensity and long-distance cycling exerts pressure on the knees. PikaBoost effectively enables cyclists to enjoy regular exercise with a steady and gentle force, while reducing pressure on the knees and maintaining an effective aerobic workout.
En el mercado existen muchos tipos de kit de empuje eléctrico. Algunos son muy caros, otros son de difícil instalación, otros tienen pocas funcionalidades. Desde LIVALL hemos diseñado y hemos desarrollado PikaBoost, que es un equilibrio entre el coste, las funcionalidades, sobre todo portable y sin alterar la estructura de la bicicleta.
At LIVALL, we are committed to harnessing the power of technology to enable cyclists to enjoy a better and safer cycling experience.
We are confident that our products will make cycling safer and more enjoyable. So I invite all you to join LIVALL and redefine your safety with LIVALL. All the best.
We hope our products can bring stronger travel assistance to cyclists. Welcome to join us.